Somehow there came a time I lost what I lived for. I became a monster. I'm not that phony anymore. I guess I got some bad advice. I haven't been very nice, but I'm leaving that now. I won't ever let you down. I'm back to the way I was before. I'm gonna stand up for what's right. I won't let what I say get between you and I, because being mean isn't what I wanna be. Back to hiding behind the crowds, back to hiding the words I shouldn't say out loud, because this is the real me. Stand up for myself, but that didn't quite work out. Guess I really messed up. Now I'm trying to fess up. I